What's up, everybody? It's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions, and I've got 3 words for you. Kizer, and you guessed it, Kizer. The China-based knife manufacturer was kind enough to send some of their models over for me to test out and review, and I wanted to give you all first look with this video. I'll be doing a follow-up review once I've carried and used the knife, but for now, this is my initial first impression. And without further ado, I present to you this cool-looking black box. I have to hand it to the company as they really subscribe to the presentation of their knives. I mean, when you buy a Kizer knife, you really get careful detail from start to finish. I'm talking the knife, the accessories, the pamphlets, hell, even the packaging is first class. And it's not even like this is going to be stuff you're going to be throwing into your safe and letting dust collect on. Pouches and cleaning cloths are awesome when traveling around with your EDC gear, and these are definitely items I plan on using. First impressions, I give it an A for presentation and another A for functionality right off the bat. But now that we've gotten past the box and accessories, I bring you Kizer's main event, also known as the Ki4505. For those who don't know, the name basalt actually stems from lava that cools after a volcanic eruption and forms a gray mineral, which explains the color scheme chosen for the frame of the knife. At first glance, you know this guy is all business right here. I mean, you get just under 3¼ inches of S35 VN steel that was imported from the US to Kizer's factory in China, properly heat treated and sharpened to a nice clip point edge. Then you take that, run it on ball bearings for a smooth opening and closing, and then sandwich all of that between a dark gray titanium frame lock handle with a blued backspacer. Top it off with an ambidextrous tip-up clip and you have this masterpiece. The basalt weighs less than 4 ounces and has jimping and milled grooves in all of the right places. Trust me. The size is perfect for people searching for steady performance without the sacrificing quality. Honestly, if I had to explain it to someone who really knew knives, I'd have to say it's a cross between a titanium model ZT-0450 and a Kizer Kesmek. Not that I think that Azo is a designer that actually listens to the criticisms of knife users from other brands, but I've seen him around on blade forums, and if he released this design based on feedback from forum members, I've got to tip my hat to him because he got it right. This is an everyday carry knife that feels right at home in your pocket, whether you're in the office or out of the town. Azo is a Chinese designer who really has a flair for creating knives that are lookers and performers. I actually own another Azo design named the Envoy, and I really like it. It's one of the best flippers I have in my collection, and I have to say that this one turned it up a notch right out of the box. And for those on a budget, he's also the brains behind the Tangram model Santa Fe, also known as model TG3002A1 in the Tangram catalog. Go ahead and check that one out. I'm also considering picking up the Beg letter with a stonewashed blade, and guess who designed that too? Yep, Azo. And you didn't hear it from me, but Azo has a Quaken style blade that wasn't in Kizer's 2018 catalog, but it actually might be released soon, so keep an eye out for that. Now, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, so I'll leave some more info for my follow-up videos. That being said, I owe a huge thank you to Kizer for supplying the knife shown in this video. Let me know what you think of the basalt and what you'd like to see it used for. Be sure to subscribe for updates and follow my Instagram page at Daily Carry Solutions so you're the first to know when my next videos are up. And remember, if you EDC, think of DCS. DailyCarrySolutions.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.